How to read WhatsApp messages without seen. If someday you want to see someone's message on WhatsApp, but you don't want them to make it seen and see the blue tick just like this, then what you can do is follow the following steps. Make sure that you have installed WhatsApp with its latest version from your Google Play Store. After that, you will see on a screen like this. On the top right section, you will see 3 vertical dots. When you tap on this and click on settings, you will see many options. Among these options, you should click on privacy. After clicking on privacy, just scroll down and then you will see the option of read receipt. And when you disable this option by just tapping on it, then when you read the messages that your friend sent, then the message will be delivered, but it will not show the blue tick just like this. It will only show you the double tick like this, but not blue tick like this. So yes, this helps you out. So do try it and say if it helps you or not. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.